What's up, fam? Today I'm gonna be going over how to do an RDO.
All right, time to go over how to do the Romanian deadlift. In order to engage the hamstrings, the knee should be bent slightly at about 30 degrees. To reduce the chances of lower back injury and pain, make sure that the back is flat throughout the exercise. To maintain balance, make sure that the feet are approximately shoulder length apart. Well, you can go ahead and grab yourself a walker if you're going to perform the exercise like this. I can almost guarantee you that you're going to have some kind of lower back stiffness and pain.
All right, fam, and that's how you do an RDO. Until next time.